Hi, I'm Craig Gertson from Intertronics and welcome to JoinedUpMinute. Plasma is the fourth state of matter and is used in many applications, including the pre-treatment of substrates. Here at Intertronics, we use cold plasma, which we can generate using a device from Relion Plasma called a PZ3. Cold plasma has a range of benefits, particularly when it comes to surface preparation. By treating surfaces with plasma, we can achieve several key improvements, such as higher surface energy, which helps with bonding, better wetting, which means liquid can spread more easily across the surface, improved adhesion, ensuring materials stick together more effectively, and creation of bonding sites, giving adhesives and coatings better chance to grip. And we can even remove microcontamination from surfaces, ensuring it is as clean as possible before further processing. If you're looking to improve surface energy of your substrate, get in touch and let's talk about your application.